become a popular way for individuals to express themselves, share their thoughts and experiences, and even earn a living. While starting a blog may seem like an easy task, making money from it can be a bit challenging. Here are 5 effective tips to help you make money from your blog. Identify your niche and target audience. The first step to making money from your blog is to identify your niche and target audience. This means finding a topic you are passionate about and targeting a specific group of people interested in that topic. This will help you create content that resonates with your readers and allows you to build a loyal following. Creating high-quality content is crucial if you want to attract and retain a loyal audience. This means producing content that is informative, engaging, and well-researched. Your content should also be SEO-friendly, meaning it should be optimized for search engines to increase visibility and drive traffic to your blog. Monetize your blog. Once you have established a loyal following and created high-quality content, it's time to monetize your blog. There are several ways to do this, including display advertising. Display ads are one of the most common ways to monetize a blog. You can use platforms like Google AdSense to display ads on your blog and earn revenue from clicks and impressions. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Build an email list. Building an email list is a great way to stay in touch with your audience and promote your blog. You can use your email list to share new blog posts, promote your products or services, and drive traffic to your blog. Network with other bloggers. Networking with other bloggers is a great way to build relationships and learn from others in your niche. You can also collaborate with other bloggers to create content or cross-promote each other's blogs, which can help you grow your audience and increase your blog's visibility. In conclusion, making money from blogging requires time, effort, and dedication. By identifying your niche, creating high-quality content, monetizing your blog, building an email list, and networking with other bloggers, you can turn your blog into a profitable venture.